guys, I'm back with a new video. I am super excited about this because guys, look at this hair. Let's get into this new company that I'm working with called Fancivivi. I'm going to give you guys the deets on this braided wig. So if you would like to see that, then keep watching. Along with the fabulous wig, I did receive a wig cap with 2 caps, lashes, and an edge tie with Fancivivi written on top of it. And I'm excited to use that to lay my edges, but that's what I got along with my wig. The wig I'm reviewing today is Fancivivi's full lace braided wig. Oh my gosh, full lace, look at that. It has a large strap in the back. It also has 2 large clips in the front and 1 large clip in the back. And it also comes with baby hair around the whole perimeter of the wig. Because this was a full lace wig, this is my first time trying the stocking cap method, only because the wig itself is not that brown. So I kind of wanted to use the wig cap to make it look more like my scalp. So I'm going to be doing the stocking cap method, just adding glue around the hairline, cutting that off, and then I can apply the wig on top of my head. Using a stocking cap method, I'm also going to lace the tint. I'm just trying everything to make sure that when I put the wig on my head, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. So I'm tinting the lace and I'm using a stocking cap method so it gives that extra protection. that I'm halfway done installing this wig, I just want to say this is the best braided lace wig I've ever received in my whole entire wig life. It looks 100% real, 100% natural. I don't like getting my hair braided. I already told you guys that. I had a horrible experience my first time ever getting braids. I also have really thin hair in the front, and braids will really pull out all my hairs in the front, so I'd rather not get braided hair. I'd rather just wear a braided wig. And I recommend Fancivivi for your wigs. Now, if you are new signing up to Fancivivi, you can get $20 off using the code NEW20. Guys, like, look at this. Look at the wig. Buy this wig. I feel like every girl that loves wigs should have this in their wig closet because it is absolutely amazing. I am in awe, and this is my favorite wig. That is all for this video, you guys. This braided wig is self-explanatory. It's absolutely perfect. Go grab her. Use code NEW20. Thank you, Fancivivi. I love you. I love this wig.